one of the things I want to mention is that everything we talk about today goes out the window if we don't have accurate data at the foundational level, right? So when we onboard a new client, we do what's called a financial health assessment. We deep dive into their QuickBooks file and we want to identify any red flags, any areas to look over, any opportunities in the financials. And we regularly see $50,000 to $100,000 of misstatements when we onboard a new client. Some of these are prepared, maybe they're doing their own bookkeeping. Maybe they have a firm that's doing their bookkeeping, even an established firm. I've seen very large accounting firms that a little bit over a year ago, we had one client with $1 million in misstatements from this firm. Yeah, the one of the recent large errors I saw was $500,000 that they forgot to add as a deduction on the P&L. That $500,000 deduction meant that they paid over $150K to the IRS. And that was 3 years ago. So he couldn't even try to go back and do that without looking fishy. Imagine what you could do as a business owner with an additional $150,000 of cash flow. But before we work with any client, I mentioned the financial health assessment, which is essentially just a CPA review of your QuickBooks file to identify any of the red flags. Everyone live on this call, if you're interested in seeing the current health of your QuickBooks file, I'm personally going to be doing the financial health assessment for everyone's QuickBooks. We're going to cap it at 15 health assessments because it does take a lot of detail for me to go in and make sure I'm capturing all the red flags that occur. So we regularly price these for non-clients at $500. So we have this at $99. It's supposed to be super affordable. So if you're looking to reserve one today, I have a call to action here. That's also alongside the health assessment comes a customized proposal of what it looks like to work with us on a monthly basis. And my contact information is here at the bottom, Alex at Stronghold Associates, in my direct line. If you have any specific questions pertaining to what we talked about today or pertaining to the health assessment, and if you know any business owners that need something like this, feel free to connect them with me directly at alex@strongholdassociates.com.